In this video, I'll show you how to join the Rockstar Games Discord server on mobile. From your home screen, press on this green plus icon to the left, and then down at the bottom, tap on Join a Server. Inside the invite link box, you're simply going to type Rockstar Games. Make sure it's all one word and you spell it exactly like that or it won't work. And then tap Join with Invite link. You'll see you've been invited to join the Rockstar Games server. Press Accept Invite. And then down at the bottom, tap Confirm if you get this capture message. And that's going to load us into the server. First of all, there'll be a server onboarding when it's going to ask 3 questions. You answer them how you choose, or you can skip them. Then you need to read and agree to the server rules. Then press Agree and Finish. And you've now joined the Rockstar Games Discord. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.